Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's try to play the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in the Realme X7 Max by using the high performance mode. Yes friends, a lot of users already request me this kind of question that can you please play the Battlegrounds mobile in the Realme X7 Max and can you check how much the battery is draining during this time. So that is the reason I thought of making this kind of video friends, which is a very short video. So I thought of just playing the game continuously for about close to 1 hour of time. So 1 hour I'll try to play the game non-stop by connecting to the Wi-Fi connection. So I did try to use a high performance mode during this time of testing, and here's the game which has been begun. I'll try to use the 90 FPS during this time of demonstration. So we do know the 90 FPS trick actually works in the Realme X7 Max. So but there's another trick you need to use, that brightness trick. Let me try to use that 90 FPS trick and make it work. And let's see if during this time how much the temperature can actually increase during the high performance mode and pro gamer mode as well. So everything is set to the maximum, and even the 90 FPS also set to the maximum. And this is going to be really interesting thing, and during this time I'll try to play non-stop continuously 1 hour of gaming. And right now the temperature is of close to 32 degrees, not bad. As you can see friends, exactly 32 degrees at this moment. Even the backside is of 31. My room temperature is pretty low, it's only 28 degrees. So there is no AC, there is no cooler. Just because of the outside weather condition, my room temperature is like this. I'll try to use the brightness maybe close to 70% brightness. That should be kind of completely fine during this kind of gameplay. Let's see friends, using the high performance mode and using this kind of 90 FPS and using the pro gamer mode and everything. So how much the temperature can actually increase in this phone and how much battery percentage can it decrease. That is what I'm going to concentrate, as you can see. So right now the battery percentage is of close to 57%. So I did not start from the 100 friends, so sorry for that. So because a lot of users are really interested to know how much the battery is draining in this phone. So that is the main purpose of me doing this kind of short review, not the complete 100% training. I'll try to do the 100% training in case if any of the users are interested in that video. I can definitely plan that video as soon as possible for you all. In case if you are interested only, I will try to plan. I'll try to use the volume as well, a little bit kind of low, a little bit 40% should be the loudspeaker volume. That should be kind of really great to use. So let's see friends, how much the battery will be draining and how much temperature can the phone actually increase. I'll try to play even the classic match as well. Just only one match of team deathmatch and then I'll immediately shift to the classic match. So don't worry about that, I'll definitely shift to the classic match as soon as possible. I just want to play the one match just to demonstrate small kind of gameplay only. And then I'll try to play the classic match as well. And in case if you want me to do any other gaming test on this Realme X7 Max, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those reviews in my channel as soon as possible. So I'll try to record the temperatures, and there should be some kind of floating as well, I think. Yeah. So this is a floating temperature. So CPU monitor which I did use right now floating. So which will be, you can actually see the floating temperature and readings, all the things clearly. So let me to exactly show you the gameplay, and right now I was able to play at 90 FPS without any kind of issues. Yes, I'm getting 90 FPS. So 90 FPS I'll be getting, as you can see friends, absolutely without any kind of issues. That should not be any problem for 90 FPS in this phone. So the gameplay is quite good, not much problem in terms of gameplay, no issues. And so let's see friends, after 5 minutes how much the battery can drain using the 90 FPS. So constant, I'm continuously playing, so during this 1 hour I'll try to play continuously. So during this 5 minutes of gameplay, right now the battery decreased from 57 to 55. As you can see, friends, it decreased from 55 to 57. So I'm trying to use with the 90 FPS only during this time of testing. So 90 FPS playing constantly in the Realme X7 Max. So in the high performance mode, these are the results. And after this one match, I'll try to play the normal classic match as well. So right now the battery dropped to 54% as well. As you can see, 54. The battery is dropping a lot while you're using the high performance mode while playing. Again, I'll be back after 15 or 30 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, it's been playing continuously. I did play the 2 matches of the team deathmatch, and then I shifted to the classic match. So let me exactly show you what is the battery percentage right now. The battery percentage dropped to 49%. As you can see, friends, 49. And the temperature remained kind of really same, not bad. It's kind of close to 37 degrees only. But at this point, using the 90 FPS and using the high performance mode, the battery will be draining a lot, friends. So you should definitely understand that the battery will be draining a lot. So that's another drawback little bit, but let's see. So for the next 45 minutes, I'll try to play only the classic match only, continuously this match only for the just 15 minutes. I thought of just playing the team deathmatch, and during the 15 minutes of gameplay, the battery are dropped to 49%. So let's see, friends, how will be the graphics now. So right now I'm trying to play still using only the 90 FPS only during this time of testing. Still I'll be able to get that kind of 90 FPS on the top. As you can see, absolutely 89 and 89 FPS you'll be getting. So for the next 45 minutes, I'll try to play only this classic match non-stop. As you can see, friends, it's not bad in terms of the gameplay experience. So I need to see how the gameplay will be there. And so some people, they did experience some kind of lag as well in the Realme X7 Max. But by using the 90 FPS, I did experience only the battery drain. So battery drain will be a lot in this phone if you're trying to play the game using the 90 FPS. So there's no 4D vibration option at all. That's another disadvantage. So not having the 4D vibration. So I'll try to update you guys on this how is the battery again after some time. Let's see. Again, I'll be back after 30 minutes of non-stop playing this game. Let's see how much the battery will be draining. And at this moment, the battery dropped to 47%. 47. So 10% decreased for 20 minutes of time. So 10%. So for every 2 minutes, 1% of the battery is draining for every 2 minutes. So you need to understand in this way. As you can see, friends, right now we're getting close to 30 minutes as well. I'm playing continue non-stop classic match only. I did not change anything to the team deathmatch. and I'm trying to play the game itself, not trying to spectate or just run. I'm trying to actually play the game during this time of testing. So right now the temperatures, you can see friends, slightly started to increase. The temperature went up to 39.6 degrees, as you can see, 39.6. So I think it can go up to 40 degrees as well, and the back side 37 degrees, as you can see. 39.2 is the highest. And let's check how much the battery got drained. Battery got drained to 42% right now. 42. We started the test around with the 57%. Right now it dropped to 42%. I think close to 15 minutes of percentage got drained during this time of testing only, within 28 minutes. So to be precise, maybe exactly around 30 minutes the battery might drain a little bit kind of more as well, maybe. But let's see friends what will happen. Right now time is about close to 29 minutes. So exactly around 30 minutes I'll try to record the temperatures as well. Temperature in the battery, how much it got drained. So right now it's kind of 29 minutes and 30 seconds at this moment. And right now you'll be able to see the real-time statistics as well from here. So 42 degrees is the CPU temperature and 38 degrees is the battery temperature. You can see the statistics from the CPU monitor. So exactly friends, right now the time is about 30 minutes of non-continuously playing the game, and it dropped to 42%, as you can see, 42. So exactly 15% got dropped in the 30 minutes of testing, 15%. Just now again it decreased to 41 degrees, but in the 30 minutes, 15%. So overall, maybe for 1 hour. So 1 hour, the chances are there that the phone might drain up to 30%. Yes. For 1 hour, if you try to play continuously, 30% will drain in this phone. If you're trying to use a high performance mode and if you're trying to use a 90 FPS, these are the statistics which we got, as you can see friends, clearly. So right now 30 minutes. Again I'll be back after a couple of minutes just to show you how much is the battery got drained. So I'll be back again. As you can see friends, right now I'm playing continuously for close to 57 minutes non-stop using only this Realme X7 Max device. And let me try to show you exactly the temperatures, how much it is right now in this phone. So right now the temperature is not bad, it's close to 38 degrees. As you can see, before it was 39 and it was able to maintain below 40 only, but overall 39.5 is the highest. And right now let me show you the exact battery percentage is of close to I think 29%. As you can see friends, 29% of the battery percentage right now, 29. So overall for the 1 hour I think the battery must draining up to 30% exactly. That is what I'm expecting in this phone right now. Let's wait for the more 3 minutes of time. Let's see how much battery can it drain during this kind of 3 minutes of testing. This is using the high performance mode and using the 90 FPS throughout the time. So overall, doing this kind of gameplay, I did not experience much kind of lag, but some users, they did report that they're experiencing the lag in the Realme X7 Max device mainly. Some users, they did report that. So right now we were close to 59 minutes of testing continuously, as you can see friends. So 59 minutes exactly, and I'll try to check exact what is the battery percentage on the 1 hour of continuously playing this kind of game. So right now we're getting close to 1 hour as well of the gameplay. So this is a mini gameplay only, friends. I'm just trying to do. So as I said, 15 minutes I did play the only 30-minute match, and next I did play the classic match continuously. Right now it's kind of exactly 1 hour of non-stop playing this kind of Realme X7 Max in the classic match game. And this is my second classic match. And right now the battery dropped to 27%. As you can see, friends, exactly 27% the battery dropped within 1 hour of continuously playing with the high performance mode. And the temperature increased up to 39 degrees during this time of demonstration. As you can see, friends, exactly how much it is. So definitely the battery will be draining a lot if you try to use the high performance mode, and if you try to use the 90 fps as well. So definitely the battery will be draining in this phone. But overall, these are the complete details about this phone. So if you use a 90 fps, you can only play 3 hours. So maybe 3.5 hours you can only play in this phone if you use a 90 fps. So thank you for watching this video, friends. It's a quick review on using the high performance mode and playing at 90 fps. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.